the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. First, let us understand what a roller means. Have you seen rollers beta in daily life?
Yes, ma'am.
Somewhere or the other? Yes, where?
Ma'am, on the road.
On the road. What is a roller?
Construction.
What? Yes, construction side you have seen to level the road. Level means
Yes, ma'am.
smooth. उसको करने के लिए घर पे किसी ने रोलर नहीं देखा? Nobody has seen roller at place.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I have seen.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, Belan.
I'm in kitchen.
बेलन, yes, जिससे रोटी बेलते हैं, that is chapati roller. It is available. It is there in each and everyone's house. Yes, that is also called roller in English, na? Chapati roller, belan ko.
Yes, ma'am.
Anywhere else at home you have seen roller? Have you seen जब आप whitewash कराते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Whitewash roller.
Roller करते हैं. They roll the wall. Yes.
Yes,
Even in the
Yes, ma'am.
advertisement, you must have seen वो Royal Paint की and Adi that they are using roller to do that. Asian Paints, Royal Paints, whichever paints, right? And in school, have you seen roller anywhere? Ground में, while
Yes,
cutting
ma'am.
the grass, while cutting
Yes,
the
ma'am.
grass, are they using
Ma'am,
roller?
Ma'am, pitch roller. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
pitch
yes.
roller.
So there are so many places where we use roller, right? And what is the shape of a roller?
Cylindrical.
Cylindrical.
Right? So we are given a roller whose length is 120 centimeter and radius is, diameter is 84. If diameter is 84, beta, what is radius?
42.
42.
42. Is it clear till here?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
We are given, it takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meters square. Okay, 5 revolution means one complete round. You know that? Do you all know that? If this is a, अगर मैं ये पूरा एक complete कर देती हूँ, starting from here, ending here, then it is called revolutions. So they are saying it takes 500 complete revolutions. 500 बार इसको roll को करना है complete, तो पूरा ground जाके क्या हो जाएगा? It will be level. प्लेन हो जाएगा. ठीक है, आपको मैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज सिखाती हूँ. अब इन्होंने तो बोल दिया जी फाइंड एरिया ऑफ द प्लेग्राउंड. हाउ टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ द प्लेग्राउंड? As per the discussion in the question, the area of the playground will be equal to area covered in 500 revolutions. Yes, and area covered in 500 revolutions will be equal to 500 into the area covered in one revolution.
Yes,
Ji
ma'am.
beta, let us notice one interesting thing. See, this is a roller. I have marked this sign here. One complete revolution means this sign should be coming on the board again. Road again जब ये आ जाएगा, we will say one round. Let us see कि
Yes.
एक revolution में क्या होता है. It's very interesting to note. See, this is the mark. तो ये mark को मैंने board पे touch कर दिया है. I am marking here also, and at the same time I am drawing this straight line where it is touching the board. Suppose this is the playground. Okay, let's start revolving it. इसको घुमाना शुरू करते हैं. अभी ये पूरा नहीं आया है. It's here only. You can see the mark. है ना? Let us see.
Yes.
Now it is touching this. हो गया हमारा पूरा एक round. One
Yes,
revolution.
ma'am.
Yes. This is the area covered in one round.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आपने सोचा था
Yes,
कि जो
ma'am.
छोटा सा आपका रोलर है, एक रोलर जो इतना सा दिख रहा है, it can actually cover this much area in one round. Isn't it interesting to know?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And one more thing, can you observe? Which area is being talked of here? ये कौन सा area है?
Curved surface area.
Let's say.
Area in one revolution is equal to CSA. An interesting thing to note, we all know that if we have a square sheet, rectangular sheet, by rolling it, by folding it like this, we get a cylinder.
Yes, ma'am.
And now you have practically seen that this roller, this curved portion is giving us nothing but a
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
interesting or
Yes.
not interesting?
I'm
I'm
interested.
interested.
Yes. So now we have discovered that area in one revolution is equal to CSA. So area of 500 revolutions will be equal to 500 times.
CSA into 500.
Yes.
into 500.
Yes. Good. So let us just do it. Let radius of roller, as I said, diameter is given, so we need to show division by 2. We will not write directly anything. So this is equal to 42 centimeter. We will not use the word height, but length, as it is given in the question. So length of roller, we can use H as a symbol, 120 centimeter. Okay. Now, area of the ground is equal to area covered in 500 revolutions. Is equal to 500 into area covered in one revolution which is further equal to 500 into what?
Curved surface area.
Yes. CSA of roller. And CSA of roller is 2 pi r.
I.
Now let us put the values here. So this would be 500 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 42 into 120 centimeter square. Okay. See if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can cancel anything.
Ma'am, 7 and 42.
7 and 42.
Yes. 6. And beta, I would always advise you 5 and 2 wherever you have, multiply that first. 500 into 2 will make it
1,000.
1000. So easy to do. Now 12 into 6 is 12 into 6
22.
2 होता है. So this becomes 720. G. Now you can
Yes, ma'am.
multiply these. You can multiply all of these. Can keep the zeros aside. 3 zeros and 1 0. So in all 4 zeros you can keep aside 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter square. Just multiply 22 and 72.
1584.
1584. So these many centimeter square of the grounds area will be level. And if they ask you to put it in meter square, suppose, you know, 1 meter is
100 centimeter.
100 centimeter.
so 1 meter square will be,
10,000
10,000
centimeters.
centimeter square.
because you will square up both the sides.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Put it in meter square. So it will be 184 into 10,000 centimeter square, and 10,000 centimeter square is 1 meter.
So, ma'am, 1,584 meter square.
4 meter square.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Veda?